Imagine this, it's the mid-70s. Rock and roll is blasting from an 8-track player, the air smells like gasoline and freedom, and the open road stretches endlessly ahead. This was the golden era of custom vans. If you were a young guy looking for freedom, self-expression, and a party on wheels, a van was your ticket to that world. One van in particular stood out and became the true king of the streets, the Chevy G10. Its boxy design, powerful engine under the hood, and massive flat-side panels, perfect for airbrushed artwork, made it more than just a mode of transportation. It was a statement. The van wasn't just about getting from point A to point B. It was about late-night drives, spontaneous parking lot parties, and the feeling that your ride was an extension of who you were. Customization was everything. Some turned their vans into mobile bachelor pads, wall-to-wall carpeting, mirrored ceilings, plush velvet sofas, and even minibars. Others built fierce street machines with side exhausts, lifted rear suspensions, and dark-tinted windows. And then there were the true artists, transforming their vans into rolling canvases with airbrushed dragons, wizards, and sci-fi landscapes. A van wasn't just a vehicle, it was a lifestyle. It was road trips with friends, sleeping under the stars, blasting music at full volume, and feeling like the possibilities were endless. If you love muscle cars, motorcycles, or rock and roll deep down, you probably dreamed of having a custom van of your own. Hollywood quickly caught on. Custom vans started appearing in movies and TV shows, symbolizing freedom and rebellion. Rock bands used them to haul their gear, surfers drove them to the beach, and even bikers and street racers embraced them. Van culture became a full-blown movement, complete with magazines, owner meetups, and even competitions showcasing the wildest builds. But like every subculture, the golden age of custom vans began to fade in the 80s. Minivans took over, and the once rowdy scene slowly quieted down. But you know what? Legends never die. Fast forward to today. The love for vintage vans never went away, and now, thanks to 3D printing, custom van culture is making a comeback. Enthusiasts are recreating highly detailed scale models of these iconic machines, perfect for RC chassis or die-cast collections. Imagine holding a Chevy in 1:10 or 1:24 scale, recreated with the same attention to detail as its full-size 1970s ancestor. With 3D printing, you can bring any detail to life. Classic paint schemes, custom wheels, even working lights. Now, you don't need a garage to build your dream van, just a 3D printer. And just like in the 70s, it's all about self-expression. Whether you're restoring a real van or creating its miniature replica, the passion remains the same. Nostalgia, craftsmanship, and pure automotive style. Vans are forever. They're a symbol of an era when roads felt endless and rules were meant to be broken. And today, thanks to 3D printing, that culture is alive again. So, what van will you print?